Today, we're diving deep into one of the most futuristic and luxurious motorhomes ever created. The 2026 Honda Motorhome. This isn't just a travel vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of mobile living, where comfort, technology, and performance meet in perfect harmony. Honda has taken the idea of a motorhome and re-engineered it into a work of art on wheels. Let's explore every inch of this incredible machine. Starting from the exterior, the 2026 Honda Motorhome looks like it's been pulled straight out of a science fiction movie. The sleek aerodynamic body design combines Honda's signature design language with a futuristic twist. It features smooth flowing lines, bold LED light strips, and a panoramic front windshield that gives it a spaceship-like presence on the road. The massive Honda emblem on the front grille gives it a powerful identity, and the body's two-tone finish with metallic silver and gold accents brings a premium, high-tech vibe. The LED headlights are seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, giving it an aggressive yet elegant front look. The lower body panels have been sculpted for optimal airflow, improving both stability and efficiency at highway speeds. One of the standout elements is the dual-level structure. This motorhome features a two-story design, something rarely seen in production models. The side panels include a retractable staircase that elegantly folds out to give access to the upper lounge area. The tinted glass windows wrap around the sides, providing privacy while allowing passengers to enjoy a full panoramic view from inside. The 26-inch alloy wheels, finished in matte black with gold detailing, make it look sporty and stable at the same time. The rear design features sleek LED taillights running across the width, and the integrated spoiler adds an aerodynamic edge. There's also a smart loading system at the back that can fit electric scooters or compact bikes, perfect for urban exploring once you've reached your destination. Moving inside, the 2026 Honda Motorhome sets new standards for luxury living on the go. When you step inside, you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a five-star suite than a vehicle. The cabin is a masterpiece of design, blending modern materials, ambient lighting, and intelligent use of space. The lower level hosts the main living area, which includes a plush lounge with recliner seating wrapped in vegan leather, a convertible dining area, and a modular kitchen equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. The lighting is fully adjustable, with LED strips hidden behind smooth panels to create a warm, relaxing atmosphere. There's even a 65-inch OLED smart TV mounted on a retractable panel, ideal for entertainment during long stays. The kitchen comes with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a built-in coffee maker, all connected to Honda's AI-driven home management system. This system allows you to control temperature, lighting, and appliance functions with voice commands or through a smartphone app. Every corner of the interior has been optimized for space and convenience. Storage compartments are neatly integrated into the walls and under the furniture, keeping the cabin clutter-free and minimalist. Heading to the upper level, you find the relaxation zone. A floating staircase leads to a luxurious bedroom suite complete with a king-size bed, panoramic sunroof, and a private lounge area with recliners. The upper deck gives passengers a breathtaking 180-degree view, making every sunrise and sunset an experience to remember. There's also a spa-style bathroom with a rainfall shower, automatic temperature control, and heated floors, a level of luxury rarely seen in motorhomes. Honda has also focused heavily on sustainability. The interior uses recycled and plant-based materials without compromising quality or aesthetics. Now, let's talk about performance. Underneath that sleek body, Honda has engineered something truly remarkable. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is powered by an advanced hybrid powertrain combining a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine with dual electric motors, producing a combined output of around 600 horsepower. This setup allows smooth acceleration and exceptional towing capacity, while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency for its size. The electric motors handle city driving and short trips, while the combustion engine kicks in for long-distance cruising. The result is a quiet, smooth, and powerful ride that feels effortless on highways. Honda's new active stability drive system ensures maximum control by adjusting suspension and torque distribution in real time. The air suspension adapts automatically based on road conditions, providing comfort even on uneven terrain. The motorhome also features all-wheel drive for confident handling, whether you're cruising down a smooth highway or exploring rough countryside paths. With a range of nearly 800 miles on a full tank and battery charge, it's perfect for long adventures without worrying about constant refueling stops. Inside the cockpit, the driver gets a futuristic control center. The dashboard features a full digital curved display that merges navigation, camera feeds, and vehicle diagnostics into one seamless interface. There's a yoke-style steering wheel, And the seats are fully adjustable with memory settings. The AI co-pilot assists with navigation, weather alerts, and even recommends scenic routes or nearby campsites. It can also drive semi-autonomously on highways, making long journeys less tiring. Safety remains a top priority, with Honda sensing 5.0 Citon Sitchios Toidi Tuyo technology. The vehicle comes loaded with advanced driver assist features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Now for pricing, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is expected to start at around $780,000 for the base configuration.